Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have a box opening for you. I have Fire and Nice. So, of course, I don't remember how much this box costs. Do I ever? I mean, I suppose I remember on a couple, but whatever. It'll be on the screen. So I open it up. Now I do remember that I think that this was a box that I'm doing kind of on a trial for 3 or 4 months just to see if I like it. And I believe that something in here smells decent. Not like overwhelmingly good, but decent. Maybe kind of just like normal soap or whatever. Anyway, it's actually kind of very strongly fragrant. Let's dig into it. So, okay, so you get a little pamphlet. I open it up and, sorry, I'm losing my mind here. This is what I see. Something in here is smelling really, really strong. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the soap. I don't know, but let's take a peek. So the first thing I am pulling out is Rockstar. And this is a candle. Oh, that smells really good. I do like the smell of that. Ooh, I got hair in my mouth. I do like the smell of that. It's just a candle. The next thing I am pulling out is a Galaxy bath bomb. And I can't really smell that through the plastic, but it is really cute. The next thing I am pulling out is Soothing Star, and it's a solid body lotion. And it smells okay. It just kind of smells like cocoa butter. It's nothing extravagant. It doesn't smell strongly, so it's not the smell that I'm smelling, but let's continue. The next thing I am pulling out here is, oh, that's kind of cool. It jiggles. Supernova. It's a 2-ounce jelly soap scented in, I can't read that. It's way too small, but I don't know if you can see that how that jiggles. My hair keeps getting in my mouth. But look, can you see that it jiggles? I don't want to jiggle it too much. Let me see if this tells me what it actually is. It just says Galaxy soap, so it doesn't, it's a jelly soap ingredient, so it's glycerin. It feels like slime. I mean, that's kind of cool. I don't know, maybe that is what I'm smelling. I don't know. It doesn't smell as strong, and the smell has kind of faded now. Okay. I found what I was smelling. I don't like it. I'm not sure. So there are these little stars, and it's really overwhelming. It's not... I don't like these. I don't like the smell. I can't pinpoint what the smell is. It's kind of like, so you guys know that I often use artisan hand soaps. I have not bought a drugstore, or I don't know what you want to call them, chain soaps in a really, really long time. But I want to say it's not Dove, but maybe like Irish Spring. You know how overwhelmingly strong Irish Spring smells? It's like that. And it's not my personal favorite. I don't like it. I will probably throw that in the trash. It's just a little too much for my nose to handle and probably way too much for my skin to handle. But with that being said, I think this is cute and neat. I think it's neat. It does feel like slime. I don't know. It's different. It's definitely different, but I think that would be fun to play with and use. I think the soy candle is fine. I don't mind it. I think that it does smell good. It can't really pinpoint what it smells like, but it smells fine. And then the solid body lotion, I can't pinpoint what that smells like. I know it. It's not cocoa butter. I don't know, maybe it's just like beeswax, the smell of beeswax that I'm smelling. And then I'm always down for a bath bomb, and I'm not sure what that is. That's not for me. Whatever that is not for me. I will get this box for another month. I am kind of on the fence about it at this point. And I really don't remember my reaction to my first box. I just don't remember. It'll be linked down below, and then there's other information linked down below if you're interested. There you have it, you guys. Real first impressions of things. So, oh my God. Oh, goodness. Again, I don't know how I feel about this box. I will get it for one more month. I'm actually going to have to go back and watch my other video on this just to see my reaction to that video, because I honestly don't remember what I thought of this box the first time around. I mean, I know my memory's bad. I know that my memory is bad, but usually that's just when it comes to prices, and like if I got a big box or a little box, or, you know, size A, size B, size C, that sort of thing. Usually how I feel about a box doesn't escape my memory, and this one just is kind of escaping my memory. And I can tell you that if I were just to go off of my feelings on this box alone, I would cancel it. But I will keep it for one more month. I will go back and watch the first unboxing of this, just to try to remind myself how I felt about it at that time. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I apologize for how surprised I was on some of the smells that came out of this box. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.